so I'm going to start off by cutting up my avocado. Avocados have a rich source of protein, amino acids, and vitamins, which helps to strengthen and nourish the hair as well as promote healthy hair growth. I'm going to add in the rest of the coconut oil that I do have. This also helps to nourish my hair. Then olive oil to help moisturize and repair damaged or brittle hair. For a good source of moisture, I'm going to add in a nice amount of shea butter. Shea butter also helps with dry, flaking scalp as well. Now I'm going to add a bit of honey to help reduce breakage, and honey also helps to lock moisture into the hair very well. Also guys, if you don't have a blender, you can also use a spoon or a fork and just mash up everything. Now I'm going to add in a little apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps with the pH balance of the hair, and it also helps to remove buildup. And I'm going to add in a little more shea butter and begin to blend again. And now we're done. And the avocado is also super shiny and oily. Like, it's all mixed in very well, and it has a nice consistency, and I can tell that it's going to moisturize my hair. Now I'm going to apply it to my hair section by section. And then you guys will notice that I am making sure I'm focusing on my ends very well. Now I'm going to pin my hair up and place on a plastic cap. Now I'm going to top it off with a t-shirt, and I'm actually going to leave this in overnight. Of course, you guys can leave it in for as little as 30 minutes. And here's my hair after rinsing. You guys, my hair feels so soft, and look at those curls. Seriously, this could be a wash and go if I was that lazy. Hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye babies, love you.